So today we are going to discuss about nested for loop, and this is the basic syntax of nested for loop. So nested for loop is used when we have to print rows and columns together. Till now we were printing either rows or column. We were not printing rows and column together. So if we want to print something in rows and column together, we are going to use nested for loop. How does this loop works? First, we have to write for, then we have to initialize the value of variable. After that, condition is checked for true or false. When this condition is true, control will go to internal for loop and will initialize the value of variable. Here again it will check the condition. If this condition is true, it will go and execute the statement written inside the internal for loop. Again it will go to internal for loop and increase or decrease the value of variable. Again the condition is checked for true or false. If it is true, it will execute statement written inside internal for loop. Again it will go up to internal for loop, increase or decrease the value of variable, and again condition is checked. If this condition is false, then it will go to external for loop and increase the value of variable. Then again it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will again come to internal for loop and again initialize the value of variable. Then it will check the condition, then statement will get executed, and this process will continue till the condition of the external for loop is true. Now we'll see how to work with nested for loop in program. So today we are going to see how to print this pattern with the help of nested for loop. So nested for loop is used when we have to print both rows and columns together. So here in this program we have 9 rows and 2 columns. So for that we are going to use nested for loop. In nested for loop, outer loop is mainly used for rows and inner for loop is used for columns. So we can see here that for every single outer iteration, internal for loop is iterating for 3 times. That is, the outer loop is 1, internal loop is 1. Outer loop is 1, internal loop is 2. Outer loop is 1 and internal loop is 3. So we'll understand this with the help of our program. So here I'm taking two integer variables I and j, and here I'm starting my for loop for I equals to, here it is starting from 1, so I have to give 1. I equals to 1 semicolon, I is less than equals to, it is going up to 3. So we have to put here 3 semicolon I plus plus. Now for within bracket j equals to, here our j is starting from 1 and it is going up to 3. So here we'll be writing j equals to 1 semicolon, j is less than equals to 3 semicolon, j plus plus. Now I have to printf within double quotes backslash n, and I'm also giving backslash t so that output may not stick to border of the screen. Percentage t for I and second percentage t for j, comma I, comma j, and here save the program and build it. Now it has printed our same pattern. So how it is working? Initially the value of I equals to 1. I is less than equals to 3, that means 1 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Now it has initialized j with 1. J is less than equals to 3, 1 is less than equals to 3, true. So now right now both I and j have value 1 and 1. So here it will print 1, here it will print 1. It will again go to internal for loop, not to external for loop. So what it will do here in internal for loop, it will increase the value of j by 1 and making it 2. It will check the condition, j is less than equals to 3, that is 2 is less than equals to 3. Again condition is true. It will print the value of I as 1 and j as 2. It will again go to internal for loop and increase the value of j by 1, making it 3. 3 is less than equals to 3. Condition true, it will print I as 1, j as 3. Again, it will go here and and increase the value of j by 1, making it 4. 4 is less than equals to 3. Now condition is false. So from here, after printing 1 and 3, it will go here to outer for loop and increase the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3. Yes, condition is true. It will again come here and initiate the value of j by 1. Now j is less than equals to 3. 1 is less than equals to 3. Yes, now it will print I as 2, j as 1. Again, it will increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. 2 is less than equal to 3. Yes, again it will print I as 2, j as 2. Again, here value of j will be incremented by 1 and it will be 3. 3 is less than equals to 3. Yes, condition is true. It will print I as 2 and j as 3. Again, here j will be 4. 4 is less than equals to 3. Condition is false. Then it will go to outer for loop and make the value of I as 3. This way, this loop continues till this condition is true. When this condition gets false, program terminates.